everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Doing a big canvas today. It's a 20 by 40 inch Blick Studio Premiere canvas. So in my one video I did a painting and that I just absolutely love. It's really minimalistic, blue, white, and gray, a little bit of color. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm using the recipe that I've been using in the past few videos, where it's just 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint and water, and then I swipe in some Floetrol Amsterdam mixture to get some cell activation, and then I tilt it around. So it's basically like a puddle pour, but I'm swiping in the cell activator, so it kind of gives some cool effects. All right, so colors I'll be using today. I have some Phallo turquoise. Okay, and I'm only using a little bit of color, so I don't need that much. So I have some Phallo turquoise fluid. I have some Modern Masters rose. I have, this is like such a pretty color. I gotta mix up some more of it. It is Phallo turquoise combined with Deco Art Dragon Fire color shift. So it's really cool emerald green color. And then I have some golden teal. I have Modern Masters Gold Rush and Modern Masters Pink Quartz, or Rose Quartz, I'm sorry. So those are the colors I'm going to use. This base is a mixture of white, Payne's Gray, and I think that's it. And it gave me this, just a little Payne's Gray, just to tint it. So it gave me like a bluey gray color. I might add in a little, I have a little of this just gray color, light gray. I might add in a little of that if I need it, because I don't know how much I'm gonna need. This is a mixture of white and Arteza Glittering Ocean Blue. Pretty light blue. And then this is just my Artist Loft white. So I think that's it. I'm gonna get to it, play some music for you. I'll be swiping in the white Amsterdam mixture that I mixed with Australian Floetrol today. Okay, because I have it. Why not use it? Because it does give you really cool effects. All right, here we go. Okay, so this painting turned out absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. But when I went in this morning to look at it, or the other day, it's not this morning anymore, but when I went in the morning and I looked at it, there was something in it. I tried to get it out and I made it worse. You know how it goes. I'm sure anybody who's done a big painting or even a small painting and had that happen, you know how like frustrating it is, and how it made me sick, actually. I was just like, oh my God, because I really liked this painting. It was gorgeous. And so I tried to fix it, and it got worse. So I ended up having to scrape most of it off and redo the painting. And I wasn't about to film it because all you would have been hearing is curse words. It was so frustrating. I was so mad. But I wanted to share this painting with you, even though it no longer exists, because it did come out beautiful, and I did do a small version of it, which I have already posted. I'll link that video here so you can actually see. But actually the new painting I love even more. So I actually added more color into it, and it's stunning. It's the turquoise, the Phallo turquoise by Golden is my new favorite color. It is absolutely amazing. I recommend getting it if you can. It is just beautiful. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though you're watching a painting that no longer is around. But stay tuned till the end and see the painting that this became, because it is gorgeous. All right, guys, have a great one, and I'll see y'all soon.
Nobody's losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead. And in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we finally soar,